Effective communication is key to success in all areas of life. Whether you're looking to improve your relationships, advance your career, or simply express yourself more confidently, mastering communication skills is essential. Let's dive into some tips to help you master communication skills fast. Active listening. The foundation of good communication is active listening. This means fully concentrating on what the other person is saying, understanding their perspective, and responding thoughtfully. By doing so, you build trust and rapport with others. Clear and concise language. Using clear and concise language is crucial for effective communication. Avoid jargon and complex terms that might confuse your audience. Instead, focus on simplicity and clarity to convey your message effectively. Body language. Nonverbal communication, such as body language, plays a significant role in how your message is received. Maintain eye contact, use open and approachable body language, and be mindful of your tone of voice. Practice and feedback. Like any skill, communication requires practice. Seek feedback from others on your communication style and be open to constructive criticism. This will help you identify areas for improvement and develop your skills faster. Mastering communication skills takes time and effort, but with practice and dedication, you can become a more effective communicator. Remember to listen actively, use clear language, and be mindful of your body language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal development.